Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I did these very cute and neat box braids. I have started off with hair that has been washed and conditioned, and then I put my hair into some large braids to dry and stretch overnight. You can stretch your hair any way that's convenient for you. I just choose not to use any heat from a blow dryer, so I just put my hair into these large braids and let it stretch naturally. And right here you just see me taking down the braids, and then I'm going to use my detangling brush to remove any of the crinkles from my hair before I begin the braiding process. And I do have a video coming up very soon on how I prepped my hair and the products I used to prep my hair before doing my box braids, so be on the lookout for that video. Right here I'm just showing you the products that I used before doing my box braids, and these products will be listed in the description box below. Okay, right here you will be seeing me applying my Shine and Jam conditioning gel to my part, and this is what's going to help me achieve that straight, crisp, neat part. Once my part is straight, I will take the hair on the side, tuck it away so it won't be in the way while I'm working on the other side. Right here I am going to apply some more of that gel to this part just to get it neat and straight. Okay, once that hair is straight, I'm going to tuck away the hair that I will not be working with yet and begin to do my box braids. Okay, after parting this medium-sized box, I am going to apply the gel around the entire box, and then I am going to smooth it with my fingers, and then I'm going to use my edge brush to continue smoothing the hair. And also I would like to mention that this is not a box braid tutorial. This is just a few tips I would like to share with you on how I achieved these neat box braids. So the video is pretty self-explanatory, so I would just let you continue to watch, and I will jump in with a tip whenever necessary. Okay, another tip of mine is to make sure that you are braiding your hair tight. This will also help you achieve a very neat braid. And you will see me braiding this braid tight all the way to the end. And once I get to the end, I will leave a few inches loose. And then later on in the video, I will be showing you how I seal my braids. I'll be back for the next tip. Okay, my next tip is when you see those strands sticking out, just take some of your hair shears and clip those strands off, and that makes for a neat braid also. See you on the next tip. Okay, once I am done braiding all of my hair, I just put it into a ponytail until I could rest enough to continue doing my hair. So I am rested and I took my ponytail holder out, and now I am applying a mousse. This is my favorite mousse for braids. It gives my hair lots of hold and shine. I will be applying this all over my hair until all of my hair is covered from roots all the way to my ends. And the mousse is a very important part and one of my tips on making my braids look very neat. And once I make sure that the mousse is applied to every single braid, I will get my soup cup filled with hot water, and I will dip sections of hair into the cup of hot water for 15 seconds with a t-shirt nearby so I can catch the dripping water. And just be very careful because your braids will be very hot. The hot water is going to seal your braids so they will not unravel. And this is my hair once it is fully dried. I hope my video and my tips were helpful. If so, could you please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified of all of my future videos. Hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.